Good afternoon. This is Victor Jimenez with Sewerline Check Professionals. I'm here at 3522 Moore Street in Mar Vista, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line for John Moore and Hannah Henderson. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping which is exterior to the structure and lies underground. It connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. Now, the building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping which is interior to or underneath the structure. Today's video examination is not focused on the building drain line system. So if further information is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. Now, I've accessed the main sewer line today from a 4-inch maintenance clean out here just to the right of the front door, and we pushed out about 50 feet to public sewer. Now, this video examination is going to be in 3 parts. As part of my inspection today, I discovered that there are 2 branches that are extending from both corners of the property, connecting some bathrooms at either side of the house. So we'll be doing this first video, and this will take us back to this cleanout, and then I'll relocate to the second access point and the third access point to cover those 2 branches that connect up with this main line. So pulling away from public sewer, we are entering a 6-inch diameter vitrified clay sewer lateral. The vitrified clay is a very common material for main sewer lines. It has a very long service life expectancy. However, it is more susceptible to damage during earthquakes and seismic activity and has a tendency to let in roots at the joint areas. What we're looking at right here is an instance of that. So when we run into root intrusions in a clay pipe, this is, like I said, normally considered a maintenance issue. And through regular cleanings is an acceptable way to handle this condition in a pipe. Now, one phenomenon that we run into in doing our inspections in certain circumstances, and this is one of them, is that the roots have been, they've gotten to a point where our ability to actually see the entire pipe is not there. You can see the camera has essentially tunneled a small opening through the bottom of the pipe, but visibility on the actual joint areas here is not possible. So in this circumstance, we recommend that the line gets cleaned and that a reinspection is done just so we can be absolutely certain of those areas where there's some heavy root intrusions. Coming here at about 38 feet, there's another section of that. And there is some water running in the house, but I did observe some sloping issues. It's possible that the buildup is occurring just with the roots, and really, to be 100% certain of that, we need to get the line cleaned and inspected. Alright, now, the line makes a pretty much direct path once it exits the structure here at the front towards the street. And we're coming up under the walkway right now. And here's another section where the roots have, gotten to the point where they started catching debris. Have a little bit of standing water there. And again, it's impossible to see those joint areas completely with all of that root buildup. See if I can get a good photo of this. You can kind of see it as the camera's coming back. But this is a short section here. It's a few feet where the pipe is basically completely full of water and debris. It's very possible that is just due to those roots, but to be 100% certain, we'd need to get this line cleaned. Fully certain of that. Now, we moved from that 6-inch that vitrified clay into an ABS, or other modern-style plastic pipings. Now, the plastic is a very common material. It's similar to the clay. It has a very long service life. However, it's more flexible, so you don't have the situations with the random stress cracking. And when it's installed properly, it's intended to be impervious to root intrusions. So it's a pretty good system. Now I just want to make a comment here. We're 14 feet in, and you can see this connection coming from the right side. That is the connection for the bathroom located on the left side of the house. And that will be one point of relocation. And a few feet back, we will see the second connection. Okay, there you go, here on the left. and that comes from a bathroom located at the end of the house. So I will be, like I said, this video will be in 3 parts, and I'll be covering each of those connections. Just a little too far away for me to just say, well, those are connections. And I'll need to get my camera in there. As long as we have access, I will be filming that, shooting a video. So just another couple feet here, and then we're going to be coming under this clean out and show you where we access today. Alright. And here, this is the clean out which we accessed. And there it is. We'll just get a photo of that. Okay, well, I'm going to stop the video here and relocate to the next access point.